Hey, it's Jade, and today I want to talk about why every business needs to embrace artificial intelligence, or AI. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the integration of AI into business operations is not just a luxury, but a necessity. AI technologies offer numerous benefits, from streamlining processes to enhancing customer experiences. I'd love to invite you to take a moment to consider, where do you sit on the whole AI adoption scale? The businesses that choose to adopt will be the ones that disrupt. The ones that choose not to will become extinct. I went to Kerwin Rae's AI Summit the other night, and this was what he said. It got me so excited because for once, I'm one of the early adopters of something in business. Granted, I still have a lot to learn, but I'm not running scared from AI. For me, adopting AI feels as fun as it was when I was learning about email marketing, automation, and funnels. The inner systems nerd is geeking out big time. Every day, I'm getting more and more confirmation that TechWitch was made for this moment. As more and more spiritual business owners get overwhelmed and run away from embracing technological advancements, we're here to help them bridge the gap. Let's talk about the critical role of AI in modern business. It's here to boost efficiency and productivity, provide data-driven insights for strategic decisions, and elevate customer experiences. And how can it transform business operations? It excels at automating operational tasks, is capable of forecasting market trends with predictive analysis tools, and provides personalized customer experiences that helps businesses to stand apart in today's market. The necessity of adaptive AI in business. Adaptive AI can learn, adapt, and modify its behavior over time. So working with this type of AI ensures ongoing relevance and efficiency. Now let's talk about some of my favorite AI tools and their value in business. First, there's ChatGPT, which stands out for its advanced natural language processing capabilities. It's an invaluable tool for generating creative content and engaging customers in real time. Then there's DALL-E, which is a remarkable image generator. Its ability to create stunning, unique images enables businesses to enhance their visual content with ease. And Pictory AI is a game changer for video content creation. Hint, hint, it's what I've been using to create all these videos I've been sharing lately. Lastly, there's ManyChat and similar chatbots, which have revolutionized customer interaction. Tools like this provide 24/7 assistance, personalized chat paths, and improve the overall customer experience. Those are just some of the ones I've been using regularly so far. Now here's some AI tools I've recently been learning about. ElevenLabs offers groundbreaking AI voice synthesis, providing an array of realistic and customizable voice options for various applications, from marketing to customer service. And HeyGen is another tool that has impressed me, with its ability to generate creative and engaging videos for social media. It saves valuable time while maintaining a high level of quality and relevance. This is definitely one I'm looking forward to playing with. Each of these tools brings unique value to businesses, enabling greater efficiency, creativity, and connection in a digital world dominated by AI innovation. Stay tuned because I'll be doing separate videos about how to use each of them real soon. Now we've covered all the good stuff, What are some risks of ignoring AI adoption? There's the potential of falling behind competition, as businesses that fail to adopt AI risk lagging behind competitors. And there could be missed opportunities. Without AI, businesses might miss out on insights hidden in their data. The integration of AI in business is not just about keeping up with technological trends. It's about adapting to an evolving commercial landscape where technology plays a central role in shaping consumer expectations and industry standards. Utilizing AI is about staying relevant in a world where technological advancements are at the forefront. In a hypothetical world devoid of AI, businesses would struggle with the sheer volume of data generated daily. Decision-making would be slower and less informed, and personalization at scale would be nearly impossible. So what about AI and the future of work? There's been many concerns around this. While AI significantly impacts many job functions, it cannot replace jobs that require human creativity, empathy, and strategic insight. These roles will continue to be vital in the AI-enhanced business landscape. It's safe to say roles such as artists, therapists, healers, strategic business leaders, and tech witches will remain irreplaceable by AI. So in conclusion, the necessity for every business to embrace artificial intelligence is clear. AI not only enables operational efficiencies, it also positions businesses for sustainable growth and competitiveness in a rapidly changing digital world. So there you have it, a detailed analysis of why every business needs to embrace artificial intelligence. If you have concerns about working with AI and advancing technology, watch my previous video about ethical technology and bridging the gap between innovation and responsibility. As usual, thanks for joining me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.